All right, viola players. This is the folk song suite, The Dusty Night, okay, by Paul Doctor. And this is out of the first solos for viola player by Paul Doctor. All right, now you'll notice here in the Dusty Night, we have 3 sharps in our key signature all the way through. We have a 6/8 meter, okay, and we have a lot of hooked bowing. Okay, the first bow, the first note on the hook is hold 2, 3, hold 2, 3, hold 2, 3, hold 2, 3. You might want to get that motion really secure before you even attempt this solo. Okay, and you'll have that particular technique, okay, developed that you're going to be using the rest of your life. All right, so here it is, the Dusty Night. Not too fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.